Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Muhammad Izzan bin Muhammad Zainuddin, and today I am pleased to present my industrial training at Eastern Pacific Properties Sendian Berhad, a subsidiary of Epic Berhad. This presentation covers my journey as a marketing intern and my analysis of the renewable energy sector in Terengganu. I am currently a final year student pursuing a Bachelor of Business in Marketing at UiTM Puncak Alam. My passion lies in bridging the gap between technical excellence and consumer-focused marketing strategies. Coming from a background in marketing, I have focused my academic career on understanding consumer behavior and digital strategy. This internship provided the perfect opportunity to apply these theories to the rapidly growing green energy industry.
For company overview, let's look at where I spent my last 4 months. EPPSB is a wholly owned subsidiary of Epic Berhad under the Terengganu ENC Group. Originally focused on industrial property, the company has undergone a major transformation to become a leader in renewable energy. Our core strength lies in our technical heritage. We are backed by Epic Solar, which operate a massive 80.5 megawatt large-scale solar farm. This technical backbone allows us to live by our slogan, "Be fair is better, faster, and competitive." For training reflections, roles, and responsibility, working within the finance and administration department, my roles were diverse. I lead digital marketing efforts, creating promotional poster and video for TikTok and Facebook to promote the Solar Atap program and promote our service. I also went into the field for site inspection for Epic tank facilities and solar plants to capture maintenance footage, ensuring our marketing was based on technical reality. Additionally, I drafted customer inquiry script and conducted comparative analysis on solar battery integration during peak and non-peak hours to help clients understand their ROI. And for skills and knowledge gain, I've gained significant professional growth in several areas. First, I mastered short-form video production for brand awareness. Second, I developed technical literacy, understand the difference between on-grid and off-grid solar system. Third, I learned about regulatory standards like NEM 3.0 and SEDA certification. Finally, I improved my professional communication by drafting formal corporate memos and inquiry script which are vital for B2B and B2C engagement. For Pastel Insight, analyzing our environment, we see strong alignment with the National Energy Transition Roadmap and government incentive. Economically, solar offers long-term saving to help homeowners and industry combat rising electricity tariff. Socially, there is a growing interest in green energy among the M40 and T20 demographic in Terengganu. Technologically, we use advanced GCPV certified system, and legally, we ensure full compliance with Suruhanjaya Tenaga and SEDA standards. For SWOT analysis, the first one is strength. Eastern Pacific Properties Sdn Bhd, or EPPSB, enjoys the strength of credibility being a government-linked company (GLC), as well as a company that is a subsidiary of Epic Berhad. This status provides it with a lot of competitive edge in terms of implementing large-scale industrial projects and gaining credibility with government departments. Moreover, the company is well and firmly anchored in its revenue base with an 21-year power purchase agreement (PPA) to operate the 80.5 megawatt solar plant at present. This stability is assisted by a very qualified technical workforce like certified GCPV designers, GCPV wiremen and energy manager to assist the company in keeping up with the current standard in its operation and long-term reliability of its asset to its 7,000 solar panel units. And the second one is weakness. Despite the technical capabilities of the company, its greatest internal weakness is the variable power generation, which also relies on the uncontrollable weather condition and sunlight. The company will also have to address the natural degradation of the solar panels, which in most instances it lost approximately 0.7% of its efficiency per year, and this will have to be planned in terms of the technical aspect in the long perspective. The company has thus far constructed only a single large solar power plant that could be seen as a weakness in terms of economy of scale to large privately owned players of renewable energy utilizing multiple geography points. And for the opportunity for EPPSB to change the regulatory environment in Malaysia is huge for new solar power plant projects subject to Energy Commission regulation. In particular, the Malaysian government campaigned to replace the old net energy metering (NEM) system with a new one that includes more incentives such as installation up to one 100% peak load and offset risk by market price (SMP) is a friendly environment in which the market can grow. EPPSB has the potential to expand their service through its Atap Solar program as it has increased its home capacity to 5 kilowatt in one-phase system and 50 kilowatt in three-phase system, which can be easily expanded. In addition, the use of new solar panel technology is an opportunity to achieve increased efficiency and reduce the impact of degradation that occurs every year, which will ensure an increased ROI for potential customer. And the last one is threats. The nearest external threat is the soiling effect, particularly as EPPSB is located at Kemaman. Industrial region and steel mills will lead to a rise in the amount of dust and other deposits that may form the PV module, and this could drastically reduce the energy generation unless it is taken care of through aggressive cleaning. The environmental factors are also unpredictable weather, which is always threatening to the overall energy yield. In addition, the large cost of financing and establishing and land acquisition procedures are characteristic of the industry when attempting to develop new large-scale projects. This economic obstacle and instant competition of the commercial solar service company are chronic to the vision of the EBPSB to conquer the market in the renewable energy sector.
For marketing issues, we identified three major challenges. The first one is brand myopia, where we are known in industry but not by homeowners. The second one is technical marketing gap, where our communication is often too technical for the average person. And the last one is digital leak friction, due to a lack of automated inquiry system.
And for tool strategies, to address this, I propose several tool strategies. Our SO strategy is to launch a Trust the State Expert campaign, leveraging our GLC status. For treats, our SD strategy is to market certified O&M package, specifically to combat the soiling effect from industrial dust. We can use TikTok to educate the public on NEM 3.0 or Solar Atap program to establish market leadership is WO strategy, and diversify into solar street lighting and buggies which are less sensitive to weather-related yield losses is WT strategy. And the next one is marketing mix for Ps. Our updated marketing mix focus on end-to-end solar solution, including street lighting and buggies with O&M support. Pricing is value-based, highlighting ROI and government-backed offset rates. For promotion, is a hybrid of digital education on TikTok and physical evidence of our 80.5 megawatt solar farm. Finally, we are strategically placed in Kemaman to target the East Coast industrial and residential belt. For recommendation, I recommend launching a Solar Life in Terengganu video series to humanize our brand. We should also integrate the WhatsApp Business API for 24/7 inquiry handling and ROI calculation to reduce lead friction. And the lastly is introducing subscription-based tiered O&M cleaning package will guarantee performance standard for our clients.
For personal reflection, reflecting on this journey, I have learned how to bridge the gap between engineering and marketing. I have gained the confidence to work in high stake GLC environment. In the next 5 years, I see myself as a marketing strategy in green technology, moving from just selling product to promoting an energy as a service model. And that's all from me. Thank you for your time and attention.